Hello everyone, this is Ash and this is Insider Trading. So it's a roguelike deck builder game. It looked pretty interesting. The developer reached out and asked if I wanted to try it. So it's supposed to be similar to like Balatro style, like Luck Be a Landlord and Balatro. So let's check it out and see what we're in for. This is the demo. So I'm not sure when the full release is. Oh, right here, 2025. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna start a new save on slit, just one. Save slot 1, playtime. Yeah. Normal difficulty should be fine. We could do the tutorial because I have no idea what I'm in for yet. New game, please. Okay, supervisor. Hello, intern. Welcome to the team. I'm your supervisor and I'll guide you through the job. Thanks, man. Your goal is to make money off the market by trading stocks. At the end of every Friday, we'll check if you own at least the target amount. All right, so in this scenario, it's 1,200. If you fail to meet the target, your contract will be terminated. In other words, you'll be kicked out. Your balance will reset to 1,000 every week. Still, you'll be given a bonus based on your overachievements. For the demo version, you must survive for 4 weeks or 20 days to win your promotion. All right. I like that they added that for the demo. It's good. Enough said. Let's get into work. Click the start to begin your day. All right. We're right into it. At the start of each day, 10 cards will be queued, ready to trigger. These cards will be randomly picked from your deck. During the market phase, you may take one of two actions: trade or skip. If you expect the queued cards to lift the price, trade would be the preferred option. Pressing this button will automatically buy maximum amount of shares possible and sell them after all the queued cards trigger. On the other hand, if you don't like the cards you see, you can skip the day to earn bonus tokens instead. Tokens can be used to modify your queue. With tokens, you may discard or move your cards. Try it. Okay, so move. I move those two, I guess. First modification of the day is always free, but the cost will rise every time you make an edit. Now it's 2 tokens. Let's take move off. To see what trading feels like, let's end the market phase by pressing the trade button. So buy, sell, is that what that is? Sold for 1.45%. Day complete, 3 tokens, max interest, 1 token. As the market closes, you will be granted bonus tokens. I got made $14. Press the next button to proceed to aftermarket. In aftermarket, you can choose 2 cards to add to the deck. One that lifts the price and another that lowers it. Oh. Make your choice and press the confirm button to continue. So calf bull plus 1%. 10% if queued in first slot for bird. Early bird, I heard early bird is good in business lingo, but I have to also choose a negative, right? Bear. Oh, we have new normal. I guess bear. Welcome to the shop. Okay. After you select the cards, you'll be directed to the shop. Okay. Here you can upgrade and delete cards from your deck or buy powerful perks. Let's try buying a perk. I'll give you a few tokens so you can give it a try. So 10 tokens here to find a new perk. And I guess we have tokens. Okay. Perks are powerful passives that will assist your trades. Select one and let's move to the next day. Alright, so we have Final Sprint. The last 3 cards in queue gets a +1 trigger count. Feeder, uncommon. 1 in 5 chance for bull and bear card types to re-trigger after triggering. I don't know if I want bear to trigger twice. I do have bear. Then we have rapid fire. First card in queue gets 3 triggers. I want that. Because if that's early bird, that could be really good, right? Start the next day. Perks are powerful passives. Okay. Now, if we have... Okay, so this is your bright new day, but it seems like your hand is quite unfavorable. We are seeing too many cards that will negatively affect the price. Right, there's a lot of bear in here. A lot of bear. That's okay, though. We have some time until Friday. Since making money seems out of reach today, let's try skipping to earn some more tokens instead. Sure. When you skip, your balance will remain unchanged as you won't buy any shares. However, all cards will still trigger regularly. Okay, let's skip. That's not good. So the price is down, I guess. Day 2 complete, so we got some more tokens, and we're now on Wednesday. Skipping at the right moments for extra tokens can be crucial for your success. After all, it's tokens, not dollars, that gets you perks. Better cards and optimal hands. Okay, now try going through the aftermarket on your own. See you tomorrow. Okay, I'll try. Choose your new cards, right? So we have Bull, which gives us a higher price. The Expert, and we have Bear Trap. Trap, if adjacent to a bear, delete it, and we'll delete this card as well. I mean, I do have Bear, but I'll take Bull. Then over here we have Chaos, all, uncommon, -5 price. This one, -7. Yeah. Oh, man. And this is Bird. It's a hawk. It's a negative price, too. I'll take Chaos. Welcome to the shop. All right, so we could delete card, 5 tokens. Let's upgrade or delete. Or we could find a perk for 15. How many tokens do I even have? Let's see. Where's my tokens at? Tokens 25 down there at the bottom. So a delete card or a trigger counts. I don't know. Just find a new perk, probably. I'll do that. Select a new perk. We have Roguelike. 1 in 2 chance to gain a token when a bird card triggers. Skipping grants you an extra 5 tokens. Ooh, that's really nice too. Every time a combo is triggered, plus 12% market value. Ooh. I'm gonna take Roguelike. Okay, let's go ahead and start this new day. Did you choose your cards wisely? I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Well then, there's just one more thing I gotta tell you. That is the combo system. Having 5 or more cards of the same type next to each other will create a combo. All cards that make up the combo will trigger twice. Be mindful of these combos. They can have a great impact in the market. Well then, I guess that's it for me. I'll leave the rest for you to discover on your own. Thanks, Supervisor. Just remember, your balance must be higher than the target by the end of every Friday. Please try not to get fired. I wish you the best of luck. You bet, Supervisor. I'm sure you would hate firing me, right? Okay, so one move is free, right? So if I go right here and then move this here. There we go. We do a combo. That should be nice. We're not doing any more moves because this is going to cost me token, and I would rather not spend token. View deck. So we have 1,000 available. We need to meet this. Let's go ahead and do this thing. Oh yeah. Okay, that's something. That's pretty good. We met a goal. Day 3 complete. All right. So we got 5 tokens, right? Here's the interest. Nice. Let's continue, I guess. Choose your cards. So we have Bull, Bull 3, Early Bird. We could do more Early Bird, but that's only if it's in the first slot. And Demand. All right, I'm gonna take Early Bird. And along with Early Bird, let's see, Cub. Effect modified by a -1 for every bear card queued. And then we have Hawk. I'm going to take Cub, because I don't want to delete the bulls if that thing's near to it. That's not good. Right. Confirm choice. That's good for me. All right, so we're going to delete card. I'll do delete card. 5 tokens. I have 15. It costs 22 for that. Do I need to drag that in here? What do I need to do? Oh. Back. Give me this. How do I get it? I guess I just don't get it. Okay, fair enough. Let's just start then. Market open, awaiting action. Right. So we already have our target. We need to make sure we don't get too much red. So we need Early Bird to be in the beginning here. So we're going to take this Early Bird here and move it over there. Okay, I'm thinking this might actually be a skip now that I think about it. Yeah, skip. I don't want to risk losing my money, right? It does look like the market's pretty low at the moment. I don't know. Where am I on this? Let's just skip. So it still does the entire procedure. I just don't get that money. All right, so day 4. We're on Friday. Okay, let's see how we do. So we have Swan, rare. It gives me a nice price. Has 1 in 5 chance to perform into a Black Swan before triggering. Black Swan modifies price by -30. Black Swan is bad. 1 in 5 chance, huh? I'm risking it. We have Sleeping Owl. Does nothing if queued in for a slot. I guess bear it is. Let's continue on. 22 tokens. I got this. All right. Market is shifting. Every time a combo is triggered, get more market value. These 3 cards in queue, last 3 cards in queue, get a +1 count. First 3 cards get 3 triggers. I want that. That sounds awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and do our roll. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. So all I want to do really is move this guy, move you over here. Aside from that, I think I'm going to have to leave this guy alone. And let's trade. Oh. Oh no. I really have to pay attention to I'm fired. I'm fired. Game over. Oh no. Let's try it again. All right. So I need to pay attention to the market value, right? Okay, we're back. The game actually closed, so I'm not sure what's up with that. But let's go. Play. We're going to go back to save 1. We are not going to do the tutorial. We're just going to go new game. We're gonna try. We're gonna get past this demo. That's the goal. Okay. Awaiting opening bell. Start. Market open, awaiting action. So it looks like stock is low right now. Majority green. So we need to do a move. We need to move this and trade it with that. It's not perfect, but it should work. Since it's a green market, I'm going to trade, right? A majority green, I'm like 50-50. I think that's correct. Okay, we're at 103. That's not terrible. So we sold for, we got a little profit from that, $34. Choose new card. So we have Demand Shock. Plus 7% price. Deleted from deck after 3 triggers. We have Bull. And we have the Expert, which is an investor. I'm going to take the investor. I didn't get the investor last time. Okay, so we have Bear. We know what Bear does. Monkey. This card's effect is randomly decided between 0 to 10 upon drawing. And Bull Trap. I mean, that's all high. The chance of it being... This one just seems to make more sense. It's a definitive 3%, right? This is too random. Welcome to the shop, right? So 10 tokens. I don't have 10. We're just going to go. All right. So it looks like... Is this where the market is now? Up here? I'm trying to figure that out. Like, where am I in the market? I mean, market's rising. I'm not 100% sure of that one. So let's go ahead and trade this with this. And let's go ahead and trade, I think. There's only one way to figure out what this kind of a chart means, right? Let's do it. Oh, I see. So we are creating... We are creating the sheet there. All right. So we don't have a ton of money. But that's okay. We still have a couple more days to meet quota. We have Bird, or Dove. It's 5%. Trap. It's a Bear Trap. That might be good. Jason to Bear or delete Bear. Then we have Investor. I'm going to do Investor again. Chimp. No thanks. It's random. We got Hawk, which is negative 5% price. And then we got Bull Trap. I'm going to take Hawk. Let's go. And then this one. What do we have? Strategist. Every time a combo is triggered, get market value increase. 1 in 2 chance to gain a token when a bird card is triggered. Triggered card count to trigger combo. Okay. I think strategist. Along with the investor, strategist seems to make sense. Let's see what we got. Market open, awaiting action. Okay. So we got Hawk here right away. Let's see. You know what? Maybe what I need to do is kind of drive down the price first, then buy a bunch. You're right. Let's try what... I don't know. There's so many reds in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reds. As crazy as it sounds, I think I might need to skip on this one. I don't know. Let's try it. Trade. I'm crazy. I'll do it. Strategist was not good. I am not good with stocks, man. Apparently not. Apparently not. All right. Thanks. So we have Dove, Expert, or Flock. If adjacent to a bird, delete it. For every 5 cards deleted, effect increased by 10%. Well, it might be good. This one is disruption, but it deletes after 3 triggers. I'm gonna do bird. I'm gonna do hawk, and I'm gonna do the flock. Hawk and flock. It would be a good idea for me to do a bunch of doves and things like that, and then get flock. That might be kind of a strategy. I'm sure there's different ways to build this to make it strategic for us, right? Let's go. Okay, the market's really low right now, so I think buying makes sense. So we need to trade. Get the market super high and then bring it back down. Oh, my money. I am so fired. Choose new cards. We have Champ, Bear Trap, and Birdman. Birdman. If adjacent to an investor or a bird, a price is... Ooh, okay. Hawk, which brings down my price. Sleeping Owl does nothing if queued in the first slot. I'm going to take Hawk. I just want to keep birds on theme here. 15, I don't have enough. I'm going to keep going. Oh, man. I have to play, though. If I skip, I lose. I have to play. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually move you over here. Let's bring the price down first. Trade. No. Negative. Negative. I lose again. Fired. It's such a simple concept, but it's different. It's definitely different. All right. Let's do this again. Okay, we're going to try at least one more week. If I lose this week, then, you know, we'll figure something out. We'll have to reconvene or something. All right, so waiting, opening bell. Let's go. Market opening, waiting for action. Right, so market's all over the place right now. But it's on the rise, it looks like. Everything looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and move. I think I need to move this over here. And then let's trade. Buy till it gets way up there. And then sell, right? Buy and then sell. And we are already at a pretty good value. We're almost at 1,200. I really want to get to the next phase, so let's keep at it. Choose new cards. So we have a Bear Trap, Expert, or I could do Champ. I'm going to do Champ. This is random, but I'm going to do this one. This sounds fun. And then there's Chimp. Should I just counteract each other? Yeah, let's do it. Let's counteract. Champ and Chimp. We're going to go monkey style. No, I'm going to skip that. And do we want to lower the price and then higher it? Let's see. You know what? Let's do that. Go. Is I gotta shoot it way up? Actually, not bad, not bad. It doesn't take me to the goal, but I'm close to the goal. I'm starting to understand it a little bit more clearly. Right. Thank you. Next. What do we have? Panic Buy. 20% rare. Has 1 in 2 chance to be deleted after triggering. That does sound nice, though. Calf. Effect increased by +1 for every bull card. No thanks. Do we have early bird, of course? I'm going to take Panic Buy. And I think with Panic Buy, I'm going to take Bear. Let's go ahead and get this. What do we have? Anti-work. Skipping grants you 5 tokens. Requires card count. And then we have first card gets triggers. Let's do that one. All right. Hopefully, yeah, they're all green. Okay, that's good. So let's go ahead and buy. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's pretty even, I guess. All right, so let's buy and then we'll lower the price a little bit. Yeah, let's go. Would it be smarter to lower the price and then higher? I don't know. 15%. All right, day 3 complete. We're on a Thursday. So we have Champ again. Demand Shock. I'll take Demand Shock. And another bear. I want to keep Demand Shock up. And find a new perk. It's 15. I'll just go ahead and skip that. I want to +7 price. I think what I want to do is I actually want to put Chimp first. I know that sounds kind of crazy. It's kind of all over the place, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. I'm going to skip. Yeah, that would have been bad, I think. I could brought the price way down. But that's okay. That's going to be a low starting price for my next day. And we're on Friday, just like that. Next. Choose new cards. We have Bear Trap, Bull, or Calf. I'll take Bull. And Bear. Bull and Bear. Take 15 here. Let's see. First card in queue gets +3 triggers. Skipping grants you 5 tokens. Our require card count. Okay, I think the extra triggers would be really nice. All right, so what do we have? We have efficient, right? This one, more tokens. And I am going to do rapid fire. It makes the most sense for me. Just rapidly be good or bad. I don't know. Confirm choice. And that's all. Let's go ahead and go to the next day. So, I mean, it looks like we're pretty low right now. So it might make sense to, you know, it's not in a, let's go ahead and do Champ right away. How about that? There we go. Let's just go ahead and run it. See how we do. All right, Champ. Champ was going crazy. $2,000? We complete collecting balance. Nice. Thank you. So now we're on 6 out of 20. Okay. New weekly event. Event will be active for 5 days until the next event. So we got reroll tokens, 50 tokens. Okay. Choose new cards. We have Bull, Champ, or Dove. I'm going to stick with Champ. I like Champ. Cub. I don't really have any bears. I have a couple bears. Sleeping out, and then we have Chaos. I'll take Cub. Sure. Why not? And 22 tokens for the perk, so we'll just go ahead and avoid that for now. Our market price is really high, so I'm actually going to lower it a bit first. So I think I need to take you over here. Let's go. No, let's go. I think this is a good move, right? So lower it twice, higher, couple lowers, and then all higher. I think that might be a good move. I don't know. Let's go and find out. Oh man, I am selling way too much. Oh, that's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. So my goal is to never lower the market ever, if I can help it. It's just always to higher the market. Champ, we got the tribe, which is monkey. Okay, I'll take it. I have some good monkey stuff going on. And I got sleeping owl, so let's go ahead and confirm choice. 37. Let's go for this. Rapid fire. Find a sprint. The last 3 cards. Get a plus trigger. I'll do the combo thing. All right, let's continue. So what I'm going to do then is I need to put high cards at the beginning. So that way, I know multi-trigger thing's going to do really good for me. There is too many. I need to skip. I'm going to need $1,000, dude. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It wasn't that great of a day. Next. All right, choose new card. So we have the flock again. Expert, and we have the well. I'll take the flock, and I guess a hawk would be good. Yeah, hawk. Okay. Oh, I could have did it. I could have did that. Dang it. All right, so monkey, go here. Trade. We need some big moves, big moves. 17% is not too bad. It doesn't take me exactly where I need it to be, but it's pretty decent. We need a lot of money. A lot of money. Bear trap, calf, or bull. I'm taking bull. Monkey business. On every trigger, all other monkeys in queue receive a temporary 1.5 boosted. Okay. Okay, monkey business. I'll take you. What do we get here? Contrarian. Gain a stack every time the price falls. Upon reaching 50 stacks, double the amount of the owned tokens and delete this perk. Whoa. Efficient. Required card count to combo is -1. And Crow-like. I'm gonna take this one. That sounds interesting, at least. If nothing else, we'll get to see it in action. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move you over here. Like so. Probably should put monkey business by the monkey, but let's just go ahead and do it. I understand there's 6 reds in here. It's probably bad, but this is my last day to try. Come on, go high, go high. My money was so low, I only had $100. Not very good, honestly. It's Friday. Can we cash out? Can we do it? So we have well, we have the flock, and we have champ. It's gotta be champ. And it's also gotta be hawk. Champ and hawk. Yes. Oh my goodness, okay. Let's go ahead and put you over here. Like this. Go for it. Why do I lose all my money right away? I guess because I invested, right? So. Oh, I should not have had. That should not have been the first one. The bear just kind of got me. I'm fired. I'm fired on week 2. I lasted 2 weeks on the job. Failure target unmet. Well, that's unfortunate. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Pretty interesting concept. You know, stock market, a roguelike deck builder. Pretty cool. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for more content. Bye-bye.